It's been a few days now, week or so, and I'm finally gonna put some body filler over the welds, and yeah, hopefully they turn out alright. It's the next night, and I'm working on filling in, well, not filling in, but improving the body filler that was once there, that I put there ages ago. That yeah, it was good, but wasn't good enough. But that's mostly done, ready for some primer. Just gotta sand this back, and then yeah, go from there. I've gotten all the body filler nicely sanded down. I'm about to primer it over to protect it from rusting again, and also to see how well I actually sanded the body filler and see how flat it looks. I'm just gonna primer just all that for now. I'm not really gonna worry about the bottom because a little bit of sanding has to be done, and then I just want to get this covered and looking alright, so I'll get onto that. Got some primer down. It's looking very nice, besides the areas with bog. Yeah, that's looking too smooth, but we can fix that with a bit of sandpaper. It's getting a bit dark. Well, it is dark and cold, so yeah, call it a night. Don't really want to stay out here all night, but yeah, that's some good progress for this afternoon. It's another night, and I've sprayed some spray putty, sprayed some of this stuff, which works pretty well. Just filling in them low spots, because as you can clearly see, those are the high spots, and then the blue's the low spots. And I've just been going at it. Gotten it pretty smooth, just really need to work on this one, since this side got the most warpage from the heat of the welder. But it's coming along nicely. Alrighty, it's been around 2 months since I last worked on this thing, and today finally got my butt into gear, and I'm gonna finally weld up the drip rail that I cut off. So here's the old one, all crusty. This is the new one, nice and fresh. So prime this where all the bare metal is, and then we also got a little bit of an issue here where in the pillar there's a hole. So I'm a bit skeptical about welding that hole, so instead of making it worse, I got some steel weld here. So I've had pretty good results with this, so I don't see why not using it for that hole there. So I'll probably do that, prime this, prime up that piece, and then weld it together, and hopefully it shouldn't take all day. Alrighty, I've mixed up the two weld thingies together, and it's created that. And then the hole, it's kind of hard to focus, but right there, there, if it wants to focus, the hole has been filled. That's all that matters. So just gotta wait for that to harden, and in the meantime I'll get this piece over here prepped up, ready to go, get some primer on the thing, and then we'll be sweet. And by that time it should be hard enough. Chuck her on, weld her on, and we'll be sweet.
Got no grant.
Oh.
I was just like, something's missing.
Alright, we've done some welding. Welded the top there, welded the edge here since I filled in the spot weld and it didn't weld to the actual cut, so I just welded the edge. And then down here we got these two spot welds. In the shadow here I've welded the bottom of the drip rail to the actual body of the car, so that's proper nice and that's not going anywhere. So I just need to finish welding the top and just cleaning up all the welds down here. and then we'll be done. Look at that nice gap. That lines up well. Perfect. We're all over it today. Oh, tasty. Got sizzled there. Alrighty, we've gotten this piece fully welded in. It's looking absolute smackers. Just need to put a little bit of filler on that because it's a little distorted. But she's seamless. She's all welded up and she's looking mint. So that's a big part done. That's the last bit of welding done on this car. Just need to primer it all and then basically pull the windscreen out, get all in between there, all painted up and primed, and then yeah, basically start painting the car. And that'll be the exciting part. But yeah, last bit of welding is done. She's sorted.
That's hot.
Yeah, I bet.